Welcome back, everybody. It's Chris from Chris Travels, and today we are going to look at a product from SeaFlo. This is the SeaFlo Water Inlet Hatch. This inlet hatch has the ability to receive both city water and gravity fill for your freshwater tank. The big thing about RVing and motorhoming is being able to carry around the essentials with you, and one of them is water. And this item is the first stop for your water when it goes into your rig. So you need to make sure that you're up on this and that it is ready to go, works correctly, and most of all, safe. And at the bottom, you have a cutaway where your hose can come straight out the bottom of the door and the door can close and lock. So let's break this down, take a look at it, get it installed, and see what the end result looks like. All right, so first off, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna open this packaging. There's only a couple staples that hold this in there. And just to go over the front of it, this is the SFWH1-193-164-02. This is the white one. The one that it is replacing is also white. Well, it's not really that white anymore. May I remind you that my rig is a 1994. So there is absolutely no idea when the last time any of these parts were serviced. But that's okay. There's the whole unit. It's very compact. You have your fillers and your overflow. Let's get this open. And this actually comes with quite a few things. And this is also really important too, so you don't lose your caps. Having these little retainer straps are very important. And this was the little part I was telling you about. When you hook up your hose to city water, this flips open and then it just sits over your hose, and then you can lock it and there's nothing in the way. There's no obstructions or anything. The hose just flows freely. Here are the screws and the keys. And it looks like we have some butyl tape. And some Teflon tape. Pretty neat. Really, really nice. And I guess if you don't want to lock it, you can use this instead. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's get it installed. Before you finish, always connect the water line up and pressurize it to make sure all the leaks are taken care of, because sometimes the fittings aren't on all the way when you're replacing and changing things. So just pressurize the line with some water, go around and check for any kind of leak, and just give it a couple turns if that's all it takes. And if there's more leaks than that, then you know that you need to look somewhere else and try to get this fixed, because water is an RV's #1 enemy. And don't forget to use your butyl tape. It comes with it. Just run this around the outside where the holes are. There we go. Install is complete. This is a product that you're going to need at some point. And if you're going to get a product, you need one that works and is high quality. And I believe SeaFlo's got you covered. I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description box of this video where you can go find this product. So thank you for spending your time with me. And if you got any value out of this video, smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. What do you think? Is this something that you're going to be doing soon, or something you didn't know you needed to do? If not, let us know. Let's talk about it in the comments. Until next time, this is Chris from Chris Travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.